I'm Steve Lindsay with LiveView Technologies, also known as LVT. I'm a co-founder and chief technology officer here. So at LVT, we are focused on rapid deployable technology that can solve security, physical security concerns. And what really makes us unique about this is that rapid deployability. And it's not just the fact that it's a mobile security unit. It's the fact that the underlying technology is engineered to run on low power with cellular connectivity at high scale with the highest cybersecurity possible and the agility needed for future-proofing. So that foundation of differentiators is what sets us up for what we're announcing here today, which is Agentic AI. And you may say, well, what is Agentic AI? Agentic AI is taking an agent that has a job to do, and that is a job of understanding the context of the threats that it's seeing in the environment that it's in, and being able on its own to make decisions on how to best deter that. It can then take that deterrence and use generative AI to be able to customize how it wants to respond to that individual. So for example, it's not enough nowadays to say that I can see an individual or see a vehicle and then alert to a human. We have to be able to be force multipliers of our human operators. So what the system will do is it will look at the context and see what kind of behavior are they doing and what is the context of that behavior that's threatening. Then it can take that and decide, well, I'm going to use my pan tilt spotlight to aim a beam of light on them. I'm going to generate this audio talk down that says this specific message to them in a certain way, and I'm going to allow that to escalate so that I can get those people to leave before I actually have to send an alert to a human. Now, most of the time, people are going to leave, especially with that personalized message. In the times that they don't leave, now we can help prosecute these by speeding up the evidence gathering process. To date, most VMS systems have a little bit of a search capability based off of attribute searching. With the Agentic AI we already have all the context of everything, and we can now start using that in natural language to describe what is happening. So in this case, I could say, person wearing this outfit, carrying this, doing this activity at this location. I can describe all that in natural language, and it will actually pull all of the camera footage for that instantly. And this allows us now to be able to find evidence in minutes instead of weeks and months. And if I can speed up that time, it's faster for me to prosecute, lower cost to prosecute. And if we can prosecute, we can hold people accountable, which makes deterrence even more effective. So there's this symbiotic relationship between cost of prosecution and deterrence. And so feeding that loop back in just makes the system work better and better. So at LVT, we're focused on decreasing alerts and actually getting results. That's really what our goal is. And we can do that in rapid deployable ways.